are here at Lake Center Plaza in what city?
Not Prospect.
Oh, Montgomery. Oh, wow. Oh, that button got stuck. Wow. There's a single slide car over there.
That's a service. There's a lot of places. Yeah. Show that down.
Wow, 8 floors for airlines.
Very nice.
What?
7.
Set.
So they replaced all the call stations.
And this definitely won't be the last Montgomery you guys will be riding today. And not the last cool ones either.
It's a nice COP.
Oh yeah.
It's got-
These are from 82, I believe.
ended up here.
These are mine also.